Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying power and removing simple faults. Do this now. First, charge the case and each bud until the LED shows green. Low power creates asymmetric behavior. Once charged, visually inspect the mesh. Gently brush and use a 70–90% isopropyl swab to remove wax. Avoid liquid inside ports. Next, perform a forced reset. Place both AirPods in the closed case for 30 seconds, open the lid. Hold the rear setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED cycles amber then white. This clears many software glitches. Once the reset is done, move to deeper checks. First, forget the AirPods in your phone's Bluetooth settings and repair them. This removes corrupted pair records. Then, make sure your phone or tablet is updated. Firmware for AirPods installs automatically when the case is charging and near the iPhone, so leave them together overnight to ensure updates apply. Also, test the buds on a different device and swap left and right into opposite ears. That helps determine whether the problem is a single bud or a source/phone issue. For final fixes, perform a methodical cleanup and calibration. Use a non-metal pick to clear tight crevices, then recheck audio balance under accessibility. Sometimes balance shifts cause one-side silence. If a single bud still fails after resets and cleaning, contact Apple support for a single unit replacement or service. Verify your warranty or Apple Care coverage first to save cost. If you need to escalate, document the exact symptoms, steps you took, and times it happens. This reproducible record speeds diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.